First, go to the GoogieHost account. Go to Client Area Dashboard. Click on the Applications section in the dashboard. From here, you can install one-click apps. On the Applications page, click on the Install New button. Available application categories will open. From the categories, select Blogs. Here you will see the WordPress option. Click on WordPress. Select the version you want to install. Now fill in the required details: admin user, admin password. Then mention the database. Use a strong password. After filling in all the details, click on the System will automatically install WordPress. The process may take 1 to 2 minutes. After the installation is complete, you will get WordPress. Log in with your created username and password. WordPress successfully has been installed. If you face any issue related to GoogieHost, you can directly raise a support ticket. To raise a support ticket, simply go to the homepage and look for the Open Ticket option. Our professional technical and sales teams will review your request and provide you with a proper solution as quickly as possible. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. If you have found this helpful, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel.